Division by 3, Part 2. Let's start. What is 87 divided by 3? The answer is 29. 87 divided by 3 is equal to 29. Now, for the second problem. 36 divided by 3 is equal to. The answer is 12. 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12. For the third problem. What is 3 divided by 3? The answer is 1. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. The fourth problem is, what is 51 divided by 3? The answer is 17. 51 divided by 3 is equal to 17. Now, for the fifth problem. 72 divided by 3 is equal to. The answer is 24. 72 divided by 3 is equal to 24. Since we're halfway through, I would like to remind you to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to your relatives and friends. Thank you. Now, for the next problem. 15 divided by 3 is equal to. The answer is 5. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Here's for the seventh. 42 divided by 3 is equal to. The answer is 14. 42 divided by 3 is equal to 14. Now, for the problem number 8. What is 69 divided by 3 is equal to? The answer is 23. 69 divided by 3 is equal to 23. The number, ninth problem. 81 divided by 3 is equal to. The answer is 27. 81 divided by 3 is equal to 27. Now, for the last one. What is 48 divided by 3? The answer is 16. 48 divided by 3 is equal to 16. Did you find this video useful? Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more videos to come. Thank you.